Rohan 2 Global is entering a completely new phase. With Shadow Leap now live, the battlefield is now changing fast and the balance of power is about to shift. The cross-server invasion is already creating chaos across the world of Rohan 2 Global. Alliances are forming, guilds are preparing for war, and competition is reaching a whole new level. And with an 80,000 cross reward pool now available through Crosswave, this is one of the biggest moments yet for the game. So what exactly makes this campaign so important? So let's break it down. So let's start with the overview. The campaign Rohan 2 Global Shadow Leap Prove Your Server Dominance runs from April 1 to May 1 at exactly 00 UTC. It follows a classic campaign format and offers a total reward pool of 80,000 cross or $10,000 at its current price. But more importantly, it focuses on one of the game's biggest update yet, the Shadow Leap. And Shadow Leap is much more than just a new feature. Shadow Leap introduces a powerful new PvP system that changes how battles unfold. Every encounter becomes more strategic, positioning matters more, timing matters more, and survival matters more. This system encourages strong teamwork, sharper decision making, and more organized guild play. It has the power to create alliances, ignite rivalries, and completely reshape the competitive landscape. And with Shadow Leap comes a major shift in combat itself. So now let's go to the PvP evolution. PvP now plays a much bigger role in Rohan 2 Global. This means every battle carries more weight and every mistake becomes more costly. Success will depend on preparation, awareness, and understanding when to fight and when to retreat. The new PvP environment rewards strategy just as much as raw power. But combat is only part of the story. Now let's go to the economy of the Ruby X. The economic side of Rohan 2 Global remains just as important, especially with Ruby X at the center of the ecosystem. Following the major Ruby hyper burn, the total Ruby supply has been reduced to just 15 million tokens. That makes resource management, market awareness, and strategic planning even more valuable in this new era. And while battles dominate the spotlight, another opportunity continues to grow. Reward farming remains one of the most reliable ways to generate value through gameplay. Consistent progress, efficient resource gathering, and smart participation can still produce meaningful results over time. It's a reminder that success in Rohan 2 Global isn't built on combat alone. Shadow Leap marks the beginning of a new chapter for Rohan 2 Global, with large-scale PvP, an evolving economy, and an 80,000 cross campaign now underway. The stakes have never been higher, the battlefield is changing, and the next era has officially begun.